The wait is finally over, tech enthusiasts. Samsung has officially announced that Galaxy Unpacked will take place on January 22nd, 2025, in San Jose, California. The highly anticipated event will unveil the Galaxy S25 series, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Along with the flagship phone, Samsung plans to introduce some game-changing innovations, including pre-reservation perks and the unveiling of the NextGen Bixby AI. Before diving into the specifics, let's talk about what makes this launch so monumental and why the Galaxy S25 Ultra might redefine the premium smartphone landscape. Unpacking the future. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events have always been the stage for their most revolutionary products, and 2025 is no exception. The official teaser video gives us a glimpse of what's to come, hinting at an ecosystem designed to surprise and delight. From new AI capabilities to innovations in display technology, Samsung seems poised to set a new standard. The teaser reveals not just a phone, but a vision of interconnected devices with the tagline, "It's not just about what's on the screen, but who's watching." Exclusive pre-reservation perks. For those eager to snag the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's pre-reservation offers are worth checking out. By simply signing up on their website, you can enjoy $50 credit towards the purchase, enhanced trade-in value up to $900, $300 instant credit for eligible buyers, a chance to win a $5,000 gift card for Samsung products. This is Samsung's way of ensuring its fans get early access to savings and exclusive benefits. NextGen Bixby AI, a true assistant. Samsung's Bixby AI is undergoing a massive transformation. Powered by advanced large language models, the new Bixby is set to deliver natural, intuitive conversations. Imagine an AI assistant that remembers context, understands your habits, and can execute complex commands seamlessly. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a direct challenge to Apple's Siri and Google's Gemini AI. With features like contextual memory and enhanced voice recognition, Bixby aims to redefine the user experience, making the Galaxy ecosystem smarter and more personal than ever. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. What's new? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the crown jewel of this lineup. With a bold new design and cutting-edge features, it's set to dominate the flagship smartphone market. Let's break down the major upgrades. 1. Design evolution. The Galaxy S25 Ultra moves away from its signature sharp edges to embrace a sleeker, more ergonomic design. The phone's ultra-thin, symmetrical bezels give it a futuristic appearance, while the rounded edges ensure a comfortable grip. The new frame is thinner, lighter, and feels more premium than ever. Exclusive renders from Hassan Shah showcase the phone in stunning titanium colorways, including titanium blue, signature shade, titanium black, titanium gray, titanium white. Samsung is also introducing exclusive color options available only through its official store. 2. Next-gen display technology. Samsung is pushing boundaries with its 6.9-inch QHD Plus display. The 3000 nits peak brightness makes it the brightest screen on any smartphone, ensuring exceptional visibility even under harsh sunlight. The inclusion of second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor Glass adds enhanced durability and reduces glare for a better viewing experience. 3. Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering faster CPU and GPU speeds, enhanced AI capabilities, superior multitasking, and energy efficiency. Benchmark tests reveal impressive Geekbench scores: 3049 single-core, 9793 multi-core. These numbers confirm the Galaxy S25 Ultra's position as a performance powerhouse. 4. Seamless updates. One of the standout features is seamless software updates. Now, updates can be downloaded in the background and installed with just a quick restart, minimizing downtime and ensuring a smoother experience. 5. Camera enhancements. While detailed specs remain under wraps, leaks suggest improved under-display camera technology and AI-powered image processing. Samsung's focus on camera innovation ensures the S25 Ultra will excel in photography and videography. Should you upgrade? The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another iteration, it's a bold leap forward. Whether you're upgrading from the S24 Ultra or switching from another brand, the improvements in design, display, and AI make it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. Conclusion: a new era of innovation. Samsung is not just introducing a phone, it's setting the stage for the future of mobile technology. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the brand reaffirms its commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering exceptional experiences. From breathtaking visuals to intelligent AI, this device promises to be a game changer. The countdown to January 22nd, 2025 begins. Are you ready to explore the future with Samsung?